Well, you might be asking, how the fuck are we gonna make the coffee without anything? Well, boom, cum rig. Okay, so the rest of our ingredients are gonna be a cum cup, milk, special glass, cause hipster club, Starbucks, because extra hipper, ice. Okay, so we got the cum rig here, and we're gonna insert the pee hole into it. And then we need to get some water, it seems like. Turn this puppy on. Take over mankind while I'm over here. There's a little bit of water, so we only make a little bit of coffee. Original donut shop coca mocha. Now we can close the blood compartment. Might have to remove some of the internals of the robot machine. Push this off to the side, hide it in the corner, and let it do its thing. What the hell? Is that just fucking water? Now we got the little ice part to it. We just add a little bit of this Starbucks super weed syrup. And you add a little bit of your milk. And basically you're basically done. Fancy hipster. We have metal straw.